Right, we're in the throes of lots of building work all over the house. This is just one room that's being done, but pretty much every room's being done at the moment. And this review is about this Teenza extended ladder, 2.6 metre. I've already got this Alibaba one. Now, you might wonder why I want two. Well, the reason is this is a 5 metre one. It's heavy and you don't always need that sort of length. So if we just pop that to one side, leave that there. Right, so I've already been using this. As you can see, it's covered in plaster. It's very light, really, really light. I've been using it without the feet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the feet on, and I'm also going to put the hooks on the top so that you can see it fully made up, and then you'll see it in action. Okay, so very, very easy to put together, just like the last one. You take out these blanks, just put those to one side, you don't need those. These feet are obviously to steady it, and they've got lugs on the inside, rubber lugs on the inside, so once they're on, they're not coming off. So let's just push that over. If you wanted to, you could use something like washing up liquid or something just to make it a little bit easier. I might have to resort to that if this does. Oh, there we go. Right, and then literally just push it in, and that's it. The lugs have gone into place now, and that's not going anywhere. Let's do the same on the other side, making sure that we get it the same way up, because as I say, once it's on, it ain't coming off. Just need to get the lugs over the edge. There we go. That's one. There's one. That's that. And that. Right, now, just get your ladder, pop that in there, like so, and you'll be able to see light through it when you get it right. Get the supplied screws, or nuts and bolts I should say. Just push it up through like that. And then these are locking nuts, these, so once they're on, they're not coming off neither. Pop that on. Do the same on the other one. Right, now because they're locking nuts, I'm going to have to use 2 spanners, and the 10mm ones. There we go. Right, so pop that one underneath, that one on top. Right, that's it. That's that in place. Now, something special about this ladder are these hooks. They're for added safety. I know that people are worried about this type of ladder collapsing. If you use something like this, even if there was a malfunction, this is what's going to keep you safe. So let's just put these in place and you can see them. If we just have a look at them before I put them on. This is steel bar, this, coated in rubber. So that's not going anywhere, that's solid. And then obviously this is what fits into the top of the ladder. Right, okay then, so if we can see in there, you've got your pins, which are the same as what's in each of the ladder sections. And if you pull that back, you can see the pin move, and all you do is simply pop that in, close the pin, and it's locked in place. And if we do the same with the other one, again, if we just have a look at it there, pull that back, the pin moves, you get that, make sure the hole's lined up, and just pop it into place. Right, now then, oops, it is. Make sure that the pin's shot in. Right, so that's that. You can turn these to whatever angle you want, which means you can either have them out to the side like that, or like that, so they're actually over whatever it is that you're climbing to. Or if they're going to get in the way, just take them out and remove them. Right, okay then, so before I open them up, as I say, The reason for getting these when I already had another set of something similar is sometimes if the ladder's too big, then it actually makes it unsafe. So you want the right tool for the right job. And if you're not going up more than 2 meters, this is ideal. So at 2.6 meters, very easy to use. As I say, lightweight. All you do is take the Velcro strap off that keeps it together. Look at that, I'm just holding it like that. So take the Velcro strap off and you just lift it. And each time you lift it, one of those pins locks into place on either side for safety. Right, so that's it. All done and dusted, all locked in. And if you lean it up against whatever it is that you're climbing, there you go. And then up you go. Now, I could go higher, but I'd need it to be footed basically, but very safe, no issue with that. And if I had something here that I could lip this over, that's when I'd use those hooks. A real big safety plus they are. So when you finish with the ladder, obviously it's easy to move around because it's lightweight, but you simply put your thumbs on those, put them in, and it closes down step by step all the way down. You can actually do it if you're one-handed like that, just go like that, and then it'll drop, and the same there. Until, again, fully collapsed. Get your Velcro, bring it over, and it's secured, not going anywhere. So 2.6 metre extending ladder. This is something that can go in the back of the car. You can, I mean, I've got a couple of shops that I have to go and do maintenance work on, and this is ideal. I don't have a ladder rack. I've got big fixed double ladders, but they're not portable. I can't put them on the car if I haven't got a ladder rack. This can go in the boot, take it out, use it, put it away. It can stay in the garage in a corner. Absolutely fantastic. So this is a big recommendation. And I'll just show you them outside quickly as well. I'm using the hooks up at the top, as you can see, and basically that's just going to hook onto there. It's nice and stable at the bottom, and let's get climbing. There you go. Now that basically means that I didn't need anybody footing this, which was useful. It's probably right at the extent of how you'd want to be using it, that. And it also got pretty little pictures on it which basically show that if you've got a gap here, then it's not locked. So if it's like that, it's not locked. If it's back, then it's locked in place.